this room. Because my mom switched the hats, yellow and pink. Because I want cowboy hat. Because I need hers, the big one. Because it's like this. Whee! I need bike. Because I need it.
You got a bike?
I need it. Because I was a homie. Because I was going to grab my hand. The school bus. The lady said, I don't have Big Brian in the list. The list. Because the no list. How like this, and like this. And the lady said sorry. Because took me to school again 2 more times. Because 1 more, 2, and 4 more times go in school. Because school tomorrow. Because school Monday. And time is it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fun.